How to transfer money from Coinbase to crypto.com. Start by opening Coinbase and clicking on the My Assets section at the bottom. Here, you'll see all the assets you own. For example, I have money in Solana, which I want to transfer to crypto.com. To do this, select Solana, then click on Transfer and Send. You will see all your previous wallet addresses. Now open crypto.com, click on Deposit, and select Crypto. Choose the same cryptocurrency, Solana, and select the Solana network. You'll receive your wallet address here. Copy the wallet address and go back to Coinbase. Paste the address and select the amount you want to transfer. It's a good idea to do a small transfer first to ensure everything works properly. Once you're ready, click Preview. Next, you'll need to enter some recipient details, or if sending to yourself, click on that option. After reviewing everything, click Send. You'll be asked to enter your authenticator code to confirm the transfer. Once confirmed, the Solana will be sent. It took about 3 to 4 minutes, but soon you'll see the funds appear in your crypto.com wallet. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.